siamo ad una partita di calcio, finalmente.
Sì, sono emozionato.
We can't wait, we're so excited. Although it's a little rainy out today.
Yeah, fall is here in southern Italy.
So we're waiting for the train to Bari. It is like an early evening match, and yeah, I mean, we're so curious. Like, we've lived in Italy for a year now, and this has been on our bucket list of things to do. For the record, I'm not really a soccer person. I don't really know the rules. Like, offsides? What? We made it to Bari, and now we're meeting up with our buddy Federico, who we're going to the game with. E oggi Bari contro chi? Turris. Bari is ranked number 1, and this team that they're playing against is ranked number 2. So this is a big match. People are very excited about it. They're coming out even in the rain. So I'm basically expecting this to be Ted Lasso, right?
Yeah, but in Italian.
Final score was 4-2. 4-2. Bari won. Quirky Club, thank you as always. I love you guys. Don't forget to keep it quirky. Ciao, ciao, ciao.